If you need a reliable bandsaw without spending a fortune, this video is for you. We're reviewing the best cheap bandsaws that deliver solid cutting power, accuracy, and durability for home workshops, DIY projects, and light professional use. From beginner-friendly models to the best value picks, we'll help you find the right bandsaw for your needs and budget. Be sure to check the links in the description below for more details and current prices. Number 1 is the Grizzly Industrial G0948. A great pick for woodworkers who want solid performance without a hefty price tag. Powered by a half-horsepower motor, it reaches speeds up to 2,620 FPM and includes 2 speed settings for tackling a variety of materials, including wood and aluminum. Its cutting capacity tops out at 6.1 inches, smaller than some rivals, but still plenty for most home shop projects. An extruded aluminum fence supports clean resaws and rip cuts, while adjustable ball-bearing guides keep cuts accurate. A rubber-footed steel stand minimizes vibration, and a built-in LED light improves visibility, rounding out an affordable, feature-packed machine. Number 2 is the Grizzly Industrial G0803Z Benchtop Bandsaw, which punches above its weight with the feature set you don't often see in this class. A 2.8 amps motor drives blade speeds up to 2,460 FPM, handling both delicate and heavier cuts with ease. A built-in laser guide projects an exact cut line for pinpoint accuracy, while an adjustable blower tube clears sawdust to keep your line visible. Grizzly's tensioning system helps dampen vibration for cleaner results. At 50 pounds, it's on the heavier side for a benchtop unit, but that adds stability. Quick-release tension levers and ball-bearing guides make setup effortless, ideal for anyone prioritizing precision and reliability. Number 3 is the SKIL BW9501 00 9 inches Benchtop Bandsaw, a reliable choice for ripping lumber and cutting curves alike. Its induction motor delivers dependable power across 2 speed settings, while tool-free belt tensioning makes setup fast and hassle-free. Precision ball-bearing guides keep the blade tracking true, and a handy sight window lets you follow your cut line with confidence. Rack and pinion table adjustments simplify angled cuts, and a 2.5 inches dust port helps keep your workspace clear. Rounding out the package are a steel base for stability and a miter gauge for guided crosscuts, solid, practical features that make the SKIL saw a smart workshop addition. Number 4 is the WEN BA3959 Benchtop Bandsaw, delivering solid value for hobbyists and casual woodworkers. Its 2.8 amps motor produces a 2,500 FPM blade speed for efficient, smooth cutting, while a 3.5 inches depth and 9 inches throat capacity handles small to medium projects across various wood types with ease. Weighing just 40 pounds, it's compact and easy to store, great for tight workspaces. The 12.25 by 11 7/8 inches table tilts up to 45 degrees for angled cuts, and a rip fence plus miter gauge add precision to every pass. A 2.5 inches dust port keeps debris to a minimum. It's not the most rock-solid option out there, but for the price, the BA3959 is a dependable pick. Number 5 is the Woodskil BS0901 Benchtop Bandsaw, proving you don't need to spend big to get dependable performance for woodworking and light metal cutting. A 1,720 RPM motor drives the blade at 2,500 FPM, delivering smooth results, well suited for smaller scale projects. The 59.5 inches blade accommodates widths from 1/8 to 3/8 inches, while a 3.5 inches cutting depth and 9-inch width offer plenty of capacity for typical home shop needs. A cast aluminum table tilts to 45 degrees, paired with a 120-degree miter gauge for precise angled cuts, and a steel base helps keep vibration in check. Add in a dust exhaust port for a cleaner workspace, and the BS0901 stands out as a budget-friendly workhorse. Number 6 is the SEESII Benchtop Bandsaw, bringing a thoughtful feature set for detail-oriented woodworkers. A 350-watt motor powers an 8-inch throat capacity, ideal for resawing lumber and cutting curves in plywood, while a 3 1/8 inch adjustable height adapts easily from thin veneers to hardwoods. The work table tilts up to 45 degrees via rack and pinion control, and a precision miter gauge locks in for clean angled cuts on frames or joinery work. A 12-inch by 12-inch steel table with etched grids adds stability, and dual independent power switches offer added safety against accidental starts. Rounding things out is a dust port for cleaner cutting and a bundled accessory kit, making this a versatile, detail-friendly option. That wraps up our picks for the best cheap bandsaws. We hope this guide helped you find the perfect model for your workshop and budget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. For more details and the latest prices, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.